So you need to have your own practice. Yeah, this is the first contact. Then we have the second context, like this. This is a reporter, yeah, reporting a news in a certain school, yeah. New Temple here is the name of the school, yeah. President here is the school principal. Then, hello, I'm Hari, and this is a Temple update news brief. New Temple President Neil Theobald says he hopes to have a recommendation on new provost within the next few weeks. Theobald tells the Temple Time filling key leadership position is one of his top early priorities. He said the provost and dean search committee are making great progress. Now, something like that, you have your own style. It can be in that speed, it can be in that volume. You can stress in a certain word, you can make it slower than the other. Yeah, it's up to you. You can have the other contact. It's about the what that kind of case, same with the in the same school, yeah. Then this is about sport in the Temple men's basketball. Then the last one, this is about the weather report. Yeah. Then the last one, it appears in a previous materials, yeah. This is about music chart report, yeah. Then this is about another bridging, yeah. Bridging, this is the other news, sorry, music chart report. This is also the other music chart report, tetapi ini ya, but this is bridging, ya, before we show the kind of music position. Yes, sometimes we talk about our surroundings, sometimes we talk about the weather. Nah, seperti ini ya basa-basi gitu kan, nggak serta merta, ya. We didn't directly in the past, ya, in the past experience for uh, famous radio announcer, for example, they didn't perform just okay, number one this, number two this, then the third this. No, they have the other bridging, like the snow's really peeling up there. Okay, I can hear a few thousand students chanting snowy day and a few hundred adults crying. I don't mind the snow. This is the only time of the year when my yard looks as nice as the next door. Nah, seperti itu bisa. Atau you make a comment related with certain topics, because as a news anchor or radio announcer, we have a target. Yeah, we have kind of awareness to see our surroundings, then make a comment, make kind of opinion. Ya, itu sangat umum. Kita harus punya kemampuan untuk sekilas, ya, mungkin mengomentari sesuatu yang terjadi, tentang berita, tentang apa namanya, cuaca di luar, keadaan dan sebagainya. That's the radio announcer or news anchor, ya, skills. Yeah, you can choose the seven, yeah, one, the first, the second, the third, the fourth, the fifth, the sixth, and the seventh. Yeah, each of you, we have several students here. Yeah, we have Mbak Tisha, we have Mas Ibnu Bagas, we have Mbak Krismona, we have Mbak Linda, we have Mbak Aina, we have uh, Indra Cahya, we have Mbak Astrid, we have Mbak Sri Rahayu, we have Mbak Yohana Rafael, then we have Mbak Yuni. Yeah, want to perform first? You can choose. Yeah, from number one. This is the second. Yeah, number two, or number three, number four, number five, number six, or number seven. Or if you have your own script, you can perform here. So please, the time is yours. Want to perform first to acquire your classroom participation? Ya, siapa yang mau nyoba dulu? Hello, ada yang mau nyoba? Untuk nih, praktek malam ini. Bisa baca iklan, bisa berita, ya. Ini masih belum tentang nanti di kesempatan berikutnya ya. In the next occasion, we will have a role play, ya. If you feel shy to do it in a live report like this, maybe you can later on we can change the way, ya. You can record and make kind of cooperation with your friends. One will become a news anchor, the other one, the second, will become a reporter on the field and report in the case of PTC, for example, yeah. Or you can have the other interview, yeah. Then the reporter can give the time back to the news anchor in the studio. The news anchor can report it, can give kind of what gratitude to his or her friends on the field, yeah, something like that. Ini bisa mendengar semua kan? Ada yang mau mencoba?
Bisa.
Answer.
Ya, ini siapa tadi ya? Mbak, ada dua. Mbak Linda kah?
Mbak Linda.
Oh ya, silakan Mbak Linda. Mau yang nomor berapa?
Mbak Linda, sir.
Ya, Linda. Which
Number
number
2.
will you choose? Number 2. Oh, this one. Okay.
Yeah, number 2. Hello. I am Linda Trumulianingsi, and this is a Temple Update News Brief. New Temple President Neil Theobald say he have recommendation on a new provost within the next few weeks. Theobald tells the Temple Times filling key leadership position is one of his top early priorities. Say the provost and Gen search communities are making great progress. Thank you.
Good trying ya. That's excellent ya, Mbak Linda. You have creativity ya and also you have your unique tone. Yeah, that's good. Maybe you can have kind of revision ya in dean ya, tadi provost and dean. Then previously ya.
Oh ya.
Yeah, previously you can it's up to you which one that have a highlight that you want to show that this is important. Nanti coba sekali lagi, misalnya minggu depan ini loh yang akan ada new recommendation sama new provost, itu berarti within the new few weeks. Mungkin dia lebih pelan, new few weeks, sama lebih ada sedikit berat seperti itu boleh. Nanti ada 2 atau 1 yang di coba sekali lagi ya. Kind of review tadi, lalu yang berikutnya Dean. Okay, the second trying, the time is yours, Mbak Linda.
One more time, sir.
Yeah.
Okay. Hello, I'm Linda Trumulianingsi, and this is a Temple Update News Brief. The new Temple President Neil Theobald say he hopes to have recommendation on a new post within the next few weeks. Theobald tells the Temple Times filling key leadership position is one of his top early priorities. He says the provost and gene search communities are making great progress. Thank you.
Yeah, that's good progress ya of your performance. Thank you, Mbak Linda. That's good. You have a different stress in the different phrases. Yeah, that's great. But the second trying tadi nggak usah diulang nggak apa, tapi committees tadi ya, komitinya tadi bacanya apa? Ini panitia ya, the search committee.
Iya, tadi aku bacanya communities. Sorry.
That's okay. Because this is your first and second trying. After you have it in your own, then you make a better preparation. I think in our opinion, you will make a good one. But that's so far that's good. Because this is your first trying, right? Thank you, Mbak Linda.
Yes,
Then
sir. Thank you.
for the rest,
Yes.
we have you can have the same point, boleh nomor 2 lagi, or you can try the other number. This is about advertisement, this is about provost or about schools. This is about schools, but this is about the police department, that there is a temple student is at the center of Lawsuit field. Then this is about temple schools too, but this is about basketball report. This is about weather, the report of the weather from the temple update news brief. This is about the music chart. Yeah. Which one? Instead of Mbak Linda have tried. That's good. We have Mbak Rati, Mbak Yohana, Mbak Ari, Mbak Indra, Mbak Lisha, Mbak Fitno Bagas, Mbak Sri Rahayu, Mbak Astrid, Mbak Ina, Mona. Then we have Mbak Yuni. Okay, the rest?
Yes, sir.
Oh, Mbak Yuni. Do you want to try it, Mbak Yuni? Ada yang mau mencoba ini? To show your performance? Besok kesempatan berikutnya kita television ya, yang tentang reporter tapi di television dan itu. Tapi nanti kalau secara live seperti ini panjang malu bisa besok bisa merekam saja. Tapi yang ini fokus on the radio news anchor, radio field. Ada yang mau mencoba lagi? Karena ini kesempatan untuk praktek. Mbak
Me,
Ina
sir.
di unmute. Ya, Mbak Ina kan?
Yes.
Ah,
I want to try number 5.
number 5. This one. Okay, you can read it
Yes.
first. Dibaca dalam hati dulu boleh before you perform it. If you are ready, you can tell us. You can say so.
Itu kiss apa skies ya, sir, bacanya?
Guys,
Skies. Right.
sambil baca ya. Ini biasanya apa? Bacaan terakhir tentang laporan cuaca, lalu dia reporter ini closing ya. Have a good day.
Okay. I will try first, ya, sir.
Yap.
Okay. Look for sunny skies today with a high of 48 degrees and a low tonight of 29. Wednesday will also be sunny with a high of 45 degrees and a low of 38. More coming up on Temple Update Thursday at 10. I'm Aina. Have a good day.
Ya, thank you Mbak Aina. The first trying ya. Each of you will have
Yes, sir.
second trying ya.
Yes.
This one. I'm Aina. Have a good day. Nah, that's the sample of variety in your tone. Nah, sekarang second trying-nya tadi feedback-nya sudah bagus ya, cuma pronunciation-nya sudah nggak ada yang salah, stylenya Mbak Aina, tetapi ditingkatkan tentang tadi stres, cepat, lambatnya ada selain I'm Aina, have a good day gitu, itu sudah bagus. Nah,
Iya.
sebelumnya coba dibuat seperti itu, misalnya mau ditekankan cuacanya itu misalnya itu
Yes.
kok sampai 29 gitu. Nah, mungkin atau sampai ke 48 dan 29 itu sangat tidak biasa di kota itu. Nah, misalnya itu yang mau ditekankan misalnya dengan look for sunny skies today with a high of 48 degrees and low tonight of 29. Nah, misalnya gitu, pakai variasi seperti itu. Nanti kalau yang biasa nggak ditekan ya light saja boleh. Wednesday will also be sunny with a high of 45 degrees and low of 38. Nah, ini style orang beda-beda. Coba pakai yang sedikit ada stress, ada different speed. Nah, yang second try-nya ya, Pak Aina.
Oh, Jadi yang for the 48 degrees-nya and pokoknya
Ya bebas
I
mau
mean for the number I will so I should ini sir different, make it different,
it can be.
different the
Misalnya kan
stress.
bebas. Coba. Misalnya kalau di kota itu tidak biasa di situ cuacanya, lalu ditekankan gitu. Atau ini ada hari yang gembira, sunny itu kan biasanya ini misalnya sebelum-sebelumnya tidak sunny, lalu ini sunny-nya yang ditekankan atau bisa macam-macam.
Yes sir. Okay. Okay, I will try for the second try, yes sir. Second trying.
Ya,
Okay. Look for sunny skies today with a high of 48 degrees and a low tonight of 29. Wednesday will also be sunny with a high of 45 degrees and a low of 38. More coming up on Temple Update Day at 10. I'm Aya. Have a good day.
yeah,
Please, sir.
great. Yeah, that's well, we have kind of progress here. Thank you, Mbak Aina ya. Yeah, because it
Oh
needs
yeah,
a
thank you,
preparation,
sir.
it
Yeah.
needs kind of experience. Mana yang
Oh yeah.
ditekankan, mana yang
Alright, thank you, sir.
dilambat cepat, ya itu bebas kok. Tergantung dengan mana konteksnya. Gitu. Ya, thank you Mbak Aina. It's already done.
Okay, sir.
The other one. I will.
Me, sir.
Because my screen is about full screen one, about screen sharing. I didn't see who said. Ini tadi siapa? Mbak Yuni.
Astrid.
Oh, Mbak Astrid.
Sir.
Yeah. Okay, Mbak Astrid. Which one? What number do you choose?
Number 6.
Okay, it's about music. Yeah. You can read it first in your mind before you utter it.
Okay, sir. It's another snowy Thursday evening, and here's another trip down memory lane with Drake's classic rock here at ABCD, the voice of Queenstown Radio. We have the Rolling Stone on tap tonight, along with the little Stephen Wolf and a healthy serving of Led Zeppelin. So let's start the evening with a perennial favorite, Stairway to Heaven. You just heard Stairway to Heaven. More than 14 years after its release, this remains one of the top influence on rock music.
Yeah.
Done, sir.
Thank you. Yeah, it's quite fluent ya, lancar benar. Karena masih pertama itu tadi termasuk lancar ya, fluent. Tetapi tadi yang pertama itu cepat itu common ya, itu style. Misalnya kalau penyiar radio is a radio announcer say the first line, karena dia biasanya oke, dengan radio GSP Gunung Kidul, nah itu biasanya cepat ya. It's another snowy Thursday evening and here's another trip down memory lane with great classic rock here at ABCD, the voice of Queenstown Radio. Nah misalnya dikatakan gitu, itu cepat nggak apa-apa. Lalu yang we have the Rolling Stone here itu kayak orang ngobrol aja. Ya, ngobrol tadi feedbacknya masih lancar, tapi lancar like reading. Nah, gitu. Kita memang ada stylenya ya, tetapi coba kesempatan kedua yang the first paragraph yang it's another snowy Thursday evening itu nggak apa-apa, bisa cepat, bisa sedikit flat gitu kan. Lalu ditekankan ke the voice of Queenstown Radio, itu menekankan ke acaranya. Nah, acaranya bisa lebih ditekankan. Lalu yang berikutnya Mbak Astrid bisa sedikit santai ya, tidak harus sama kecepatannya, bisa ada yang diperpendek, ada yang diperpanjang. Nah seperti teman-teman yang lain tadi juga feedbacknya sama, karena masih Ini kita konteksnya kan reading a script, jadi tidak apa-apa. This is normal, ya. Are you ready for the second chance,
sir.
Mbak Astrid? Ya, remember, stress on the program, the voice of Bintang Radio. Mau stressnya kayak apa? Terserah. Lalu itu kan programnya. Lalu yang berikutnya santai. Lalu coba yang closingnya ini konteks ya, pura-pura tantangan untuk Mbak Astrid. Karena sudah mendengarkan yang you just heard Stairway to Heaven. More itu seperti pujian ya, karena ini more than 40 years after its release, this remain one of the top influence on rock music. Nah, misalnya karena itu pujian, karena sudah hampir lebih dari 40 tahun ya, setelah rilisnya masih menjadi salah satu lagu ya yang berpengaruh. Nah, kayak gitu. Ya, itu feedbacknya untuk second try, so second trying, Mbak Astrid. Would you mind to try it again?
Okay, sir. It's another snowy Thursday evening, and here's another trip down memory lane with Rick's classic rock here at ABCD, the voice of Bintang Radio. We have the Rolling Stone on the top tonight, along with a little Steppenwolf and a healthy serving of Led Zeppelin. So let's start the evening with the perennial favorite, Stairway to Heaven. So you just heard Stairway to Heaven more than 14 years after its release. So this remains one of the top influence on rock music.
Yeah, okay. That's great. Thank you for listening to the feedback ya. Nah, tadi yang
Thank you, sir.
berikutnya you can keep your own style ya. Nanti ini karena kesempatan pertama, that's okay. Later on if you can you have it in your own performance, you can make kind of different progress later on ya. Okay. While waiting for the rest ya, like news anchor or radio announcer ya, radio announcer, whether this is news anchor or reading just this whether advertisement, this is a basic. So many famous television news anchor or reporter, they come from the radio, karena biasanya radio itu untuk batu loncatan ya, jumping stone to the next level, whether this is about podcast, this is about television and extra ya. Jadi ini salah satu bidang yang walaupun teknologinya sekarang sudah berkembang, tetapi radio is one of the basic skill ya. Radio announcer is the one of the basic skill in the broadcasting field. We have 3 students or 4 students, Mbak Aina, Mbak Astrid, dan Mbak Linda ya, that done the performance. The rest, ada yang mau nyoba lagi?
Hello, sir. I want to try it.
Yeah.
And I will again.
Which number, Mbak Yuni?
I think I'm going to choose like Astrid did. 6, I think.
Okay. Yeah. You have your own style, Mbak Yuni. If you are ready, you can tell us.
Yuni or Tisa, Mister?
Oh, sorry. Ini tadi
Tisha,
siapa?
sir.
Oh, Tisha.
First, Tisa.
Mohon maaf ya, dari tadi di tampilan saya itu ininya Mbak Yuni itu hijau itu loh. Tak kira Mbak Yuni yang.
Oh yes, that's okay.
Tisha ya.
Okay, sir. Okay. I will try it, sir.
Yeah.
It's another snowy Thursday evening, and here's another trip down memory lane with the Rick's classic rock here at ABCD, the voice of Bintang Radio. We have the Rolling Stones on the tap tonight, along with a little Steppenwolf and a healthy survey of Led Zeppelin. So, let's start the evening with a perennial favorite, Stairway to Heaven. You just heard Stairway to Heaven more than 40 years after its release. This remains one of the top influences on the rock music.
Yeah, big applause to you, Mbak Tisha. This is another level. Yeah, you can see from your fluency, and also you can have priority in which one that is highlighted and which one that is not. It means you have your own style, and then it's okay. Yeah, I think there is no major feedback to you. Yeah, I just say this is another level. Mbak Tisha, thank you very much. Yeah.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah, you are welcome. You have your own style ya. Yang lainnya? Jangan khawatir misalnya, wah, stylenya si A seperti ini si B.
I will.
Nah, ini kalau ini Mbak Yuni ya, benar ya?
Yes, sir.
Nah,
I
ya.
will try, sir.
Okay, which one Mbak Yuni?
Number 2.
Number 2. Yeah. Okay, you can read it first. Namanya ini Neil Theobald ya.
Can I try now, sir?
Yeah, you may.
Yes. Hello, I'm Yuni Sulistyawati, and this is a Temple Update News Brief. New Temple President Neil Theobald says he hopes to have recommendation on a new proposal within the next few weeks. Theobald tells the Temple Times filling key leadership position is one of his top early priorities. He says the proposed and the insured committees are making great progress.
Yeah, thank you Mbak Yuni ya. You have done your
You're
first
welcome, sir.
try. Yeah, you can later on read it again ya. Then you can have your second trying ya. We can have the style that is fast, itu boleh. You can have the other style that quite slow than the other styles. That's okay. Ya. This is your own style. Tapi nanti tadi misalnya ada priorities ya, priorities. Ya, seperti itu bisa di prioritasnya tadi ya, priorities. Priority from priority kan. Lalu sebelum-sebelumnya hanya masalah ini aja. Fluency saja ya. Coba dibaca dalam hati sebentar. You can read it in your mind. Lalu dengan feedback yang dari beberapa teman tadi yang sama, misalnya you can make your own highlight. Which one this is important. You can have itu loh main
Yes,
ke
sir.
rhyme. Ya, in a linguistic we have suprasegmental kan. Nah, banyak kan feedbacknya ini tadi tentang suprasegmental ya. Low, falling, rising, falling, falling, rising. Tuh, atau with stressing boleh. With the speed, kecepatannya. Nah, itu dimainkan di situ. Oke, siap Mbak Yuni? The second trying. Coba yang di highlight the next few weeks. Lalu making great progress yang ini.
Yes, sir. I will try.
Ya.
Hello, I'm Yuni Sulistyawati, and this is a Temple Update News Brief. New Temple President Neil Theobald says he hopes to have recommendation on a new proposal within the next few weeks. Theobald tells the Temple Times filling key leadership position is one of his top early priorities. He says the provost and dean search committees are making great progress.
Yep, okay. Thank you Mbak Yuni ya. That's better ya. There is a progress
Okay,
from the first trying ya.
Thank you, sir.
Ya. Tapi yang tentang pronunciation ini feedback ya, umum ya, nggak apa-apa ya. Priorities-nya
Yes,
tadi
sir.
ya, priorities. Lalu great,
Prior-
not great ya. Great
Great.
progress. Ya, early priorities. Lalu kalau ini kan dadaan ya, maksudnya walaupun kemarin sudah di-sharekan, ya, whether we have a previous text like this, but if you want to have it as your practice, you can make a slash. Jadi kira-kira kalau yang di slash di jeda itu mana? Ya. Kadang kita harus mencermati possessive verb-nya misalnya atau to be-nya. Jangan sampai penjedaan di kalimat itu terdengar aneh. Karena kan teman-teman itu sudah tahu sintaks, sudah tahu structure ya. Clause, independent clause, dan sebagainya itu bisa untuk membantu teman-teman. Hello, I'm Hari, and this is Temple Update News Brief. Nah, misalnya dari situ saja sudah ada the Temple Update News Brief. Nah, gitu. The new Temple President, Neil Tobal, says he hopes to have recommendation on new proposals within the next few weeks. Tobal tells Temple Time filling key leadership position is one of his top early priorities. He says the provost and dean search committees are making great progress. Nah, contohnya, he says the provost and dean, nah lalu dijeda search committees, itu kan jadi aneh. Misalnya, ini bukan Mbak Yuni ya, tetapi untuk kasus-kasus yang lain misalnya. Nah, pause within a sentence is important. Jadi nanti kayak kita membaca, misalnya dulu zaman kita SMA, SMP itu ada Undang-Undang Dasar 1945 itu kan penjedaannya ada. Nah, dari hal kayak gitu analoginya kita bawa ke teks dalam radio or television later on, ya. But thank you anyway, Mbak Yuni ya. That's your performance. Thank you.
Yes,
The
sir.
rest ada. Ini mohon maaf karena yang versi ini saya memakai yang free, jadi 40 menit sorry, kita akan ini. Kalau ada yang mau perform, tolong disebutkan sekarang. Nanti akan saya beri link baru ya di grup untuk masuk lagi. Ada yang mau praktis lagi setelah Mbak Yuni?
Mime. Sir.
Iya.
Sorry, sir.
Enggak apa-apa. Ini tadi siapa ya? Bentar, saya cari.
Indra, sir.
Oke. Kita end dulu nanti. Ini tadi siapa? Ada
Indra, sir.
Mas Indra dengan kayaknya 2 tadi. Mas Indra dengan
Sir.
Bentar. Mohon maaf, sinyalnya saya mungkin. Dengan?
Krismona. Can you hear my voice?
Krismona, ya. Oke, Krismona. Dan Indra. Oke. Nanti saya share itunya di grup ya. Kita masuk untuk yang kedua. So, sorry for your inconvenience. Kalau yang sudah praktek, tidak masuk tidak apa-apa. Kalau yang mau praktek, yang itu tadi, nanti masuk lagi, oke? Oke?
Oke, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
You're
Good
welcome.
night.
Yang
Good
mau
evening, sir.
aktivitas lain yang sudah
Bye-bye.
praktek, silakan. Yang mau masuk lagi, saya share di grup ya. Oke, good evening.
Sir.